Welcome to Terence Sobesdani Lecture. Chapter 3, Managing Marketing Information.
Amanda, according to Armstrong and Kotler's textbook, marketing information system refers to people and procedures dedicated to assessing information needs, developing the needed information, and helping decision makers to use the information to generate and validate actionable customer and market insights.
Hey, there is another definition by Jobber. A marketing information system is a continuing and interacting structure of people, equipment and procedures to gather, sort, analyze, evaluate, and distribute pertinent, timely and accurate information for use by marketing decision makers to improve their marketing planning, implementation, and control.
If we define them carefully, both in fact are referring to the same idea.
Really?
Yes. Marketers start by assessing user information needs. Then they develop the needed information using internal data, marketing intelligence, and marketing research processes. Finally, they make the information available to users in the right form at the right time.
Therefore, the main objective of marketing information system is to let marketers to make the right decision based on the available information.
Exactly. In this competitive marketplace, many companies are now restructuring their marketing research and information functions. They are creating customer insights teams. Customer insights groups will collect customer and market information from a wide variety of sources, ranging from traditional marketing research studies, to mingling with and observing consumers to monitoring consumer online conversations about the company and its products. Then they will use this information to develop important customer insights, from which the company can create more value for its customers.
Agreed. Marketers start by assessing user information needs. Then they develop the needed information using internal data, marketing intelligence, and marketing research processes. Finally, they make the information available to users in the right form at the right time.
I can understand internal databases, which refers to the electronic collections of consumer and market information obtained from data sources within the company network, such as customer characteristics, sales transactions, website visits, the records of customer satisfaction or service problems, the detailed records of sales, costs, cash flows, the reports on production, shipments, inventories, reseller reactions and competitor activities, and marketing channel partners provide data on point-of-sale transactions. However, I am not clear about marketing intelligence. What is marketing intelligence?
Marketing intelligence includes the procedures and data sources used to obtain information from the business environment for decision making. This information can be external or internal. This data usually pertains to various political, economical, technological and socio-cultural elements. It also can include information on customer demographics and competitors. Small company managers usually collect marketing intelligence data either by themselves, or through various research or government agencies. John, please Wikipedia it for more information.
All right. I remember in this morning lecture, in addition to marketing intelligence information about general consumer, competitor, and marketplace happenings, Sir had mentioned marketers often need formal studies that provide customer and market insights for specific marketing situations and decisions.
You are right. Because firms cannot simply purchase data collected by outside firms to aid in their decision making. They have to conduct their own marketing research.
Do you have any idea to start a marketing research?
Yes, John. Firstly, marketers have to define the problem and research objectives. Next, they will develop the research plan for collecting information, followed by implementing the research plan, such as collecting and analyzing the data. Lastly, marketers will interpret and report the findings.
As far as I know, there are two types of data, primary and secondary. Primary data is a type of information that is obtained directly from first-hand sources by means of surveys, observation or experimentation. It is data that has not been previously published, and is derived from a new or original research study and collected at the source such as in marketing. On the other hand, secondary data is information that already exists somewhere, having been collected for another purpose. Secondary data can usually be obtained more quickly, and at a lower cost than primary data. Also, secondary sources can sometimes provide data an individual company cannot collect on its own, such as the information that either is not directly available, or would be too expensive to collect. Researchers usually start by gathering secondary data. The company's internal database provides a good starting point. However, the company can also tap into a wide assortment of external information sources.
Wow. You are so knowledgeable. Where did you get all this information?
As what you said. Wikipedia. Since last year, I started spending my time on searching useful information instead of Facebook. I do not want to become a busybody person anymore.
You are right. Sir had advised me not to Facebook so frequently as well. I also started to spend my time wisely since last week. Look. I have found out there are many different ways of research, such as observational research, ethnographic research, survey research, experimental research, online marketing research and so on. Each of them will serve different kind of purpose, as well as pros and cons.
I agreed with you. According to Learning Pyramid, we will not learn much if we just listening to the lecture. We should have more discussion, practice doing, and teach others like we are doing now.
Of course we must equip ourselves with certain level of knowledge. Therefore, we need to have more self-learning. We cannot too rely on the lecture slides. In fact, we can get all information easily from online.
All right. I will search for observational, ethnographic, survey, experimental, and online marketing research after this. Hey! If we want to conduct a marketing research by using primary data, we should decide the sampling plan, right?
Yes, sampling plan requires 3 decisions. Firstly, the sampling unit, who is to be studied. Secondly, the sample size, how many people should be included. Thirdly, the sampling procedure, how should the people in the sample be chosen.
There are 2 types of sampling procedure, probability sample and non-probability sample. Examples for probability sample are simple random sample, stratified random sample, and cluster sample.
Examples for non-probability sample are convenience sample, judgment sample, and quota sample.
Both of us have done our self-learning sufficiently. Great.
Nice to have discussion with you, John. Oh my god, I forget I need to fetch my boyfriend now. Talk to you next time. See you around.
All right. Keep in touch.